Alright guys, in this video, cutting a hole for the gas tank. It's fiberglass, so my uncle doesn't want to come out. He doesn't like messing with the fiberglass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this hole right now with a grinder. We took it all off, guys, because right here, it's not filling up. The way this is set up, it's supposed to be right there. So I'm just going to have it there. It's going to look a little ghetto. I don't care, but it's going to fill up my tank, and that's all I want. And you're going to watch me cut it right now. Alright guys, I'm going to start cutting. I know I can use eye protection, but well, I'm going to try it a little bit. Kind of fogs it up. Damn, I'm crooked as hell, guys. Guys, I was still scared to breathe. You know, I have this mask. Alright guys, already cut out the hole. Now we're making a template. Somehow. This is kind of going to be weird. Because this is not the bed for the truck. You know, the original bed is steel. I mean, the fenders are steel. The bed itself, square. The square itself is steel. But the fenders aren't. They're fiberglass. And if you would get the bed that was specifically made for this truck, it would have the gas tank here. So I'm going to put it there. It's going to look a little bit ghetto, but I don't care. It's going to fill up my tank. I can only put 6 gallons in this thing. And right now we're cutting a little template to drill holes on that, to put that. Oh, it's trying to stab me. Oh, man, that made me hurt. I felt like he didn't even try, and I could still feel the pain. So that's what we're doing right now, guys. Now I'm making holes. Now get the bolt over there. That motherfucker will cut this bitch up. Don't doubt that little fucker. Which one? Anyone? This is good, right? This is good. Give it some credit. You don't want to give it credit. Are you gonna be Santi? What are you gonna say to the little kids? Christmas presents.
Don't fucking cut.
Oh my gosh. What else?
You clean all that dust up.
That's bad. Alright guys, this is the pipe. I got a pipe at 3-star mufflers and I just cut a piece off of it. So now we're just gonna put it in there. That's what it looks like inside. It's going straight there. That's it. Anything you gonna say?
Fuck this.
Alright guys, yeah, Uncle's just talking nonsense. Alright guys, sorry for my uncle guys. Sorry for my uncle. He's talking nonsense. But this is what it's gonna look like now guys, because I gotta go get a foot of that fuel hose and connect it there because it's just corroded. But this is what it's gonna look like. I couldn't go over the second ridge because it's just might have to get another hose too of that piping. But yeah, and everything's looking good. Oh yeah guys, check out this. Sorry for the noise, but look, they're building the fence over there. I mean, not the fence, they built those fences and they're building the carport finally. Check it out, super nice. They actually stuck those like 3 feet underground than these right here. These are just there like not even like in the ground. They're just in like cement, but they're fixing that. That's what that noise was you guys heard right now. This is what it looks like guys. It's not gonna look anything, it's nothing pretty, okay, but this is how it was supposed to be set up originally with the round steel fenders. These are fiberglass, so that's what it looks like. And that's it guys, nothing else to show you, just that they're doing the beams over there and they're doing it really nice. They stuck those in like 3 feet underground, now like these are just there. So yeah, this didn't fall the last time the hurricane came, but it could fall again if another stronger hurricane came. But that's what it looks like guys. I'm gonna take off that plastic, but that's it. Everything's sticking out. Just gotta get that little hose. Might have to get a pipe for that and cut it and put it over that ridge, but it's not gonna spill. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Peace.